the story all about how our taps year went from the fall to right now. I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how we started with graphing and moved on to chi-square. In Chapter 1 with Theta, we started our days, plotting all sorts of things in many different ways, making different graphs with our calc as our tool. All the TAP students roaming around the school. A whole bunch of fives is what we wanted to do. We'll study up lots and learn it real good. We worked real hard, but it's so much to get down. Seth told us, don't worry, let's just go to Z-Town. We moved on to scatter plots in Chapter 3. It was R and R squared. Forget about Z. I learned correlation, Y and Y hat. Sure hope I don't 3 get plus 1 get. End of the try, things were far from the norm. We looked at curved data and how to transform. We had those points lying there straight like an arrow. It was after Thanksgiving, time to fly like a sparrow. We got back at the start of the try. We were talking about samples and placebos all the time. A whole lot of terms, so much to remember. It was time for a break at the end of December. Back from break and headed to taps, hitting probability, enough of that crap. When I got tested, I was filled with fear. I don't like probability, that much is clear. Next it was binomial, then sampling distributions. Sepala appreciates the student contributions. If anything, I can say this chapter was fair. I hope I don't forget it when exam day is here. Try 3 was panic and phantoms again and again. It seemed like all the writing, it would never end. Then we reviewed. I worked as hard as I can. Hope I get a 5 on the AP exam.